friends, I'm going to be showing you how I do a juice affogato. Basically, I just make a fresh juice and I blend it with some berries, some greens, different things that are really nutritious. You can blend it with nuts or oats. And I make this sorbetto consistency with fresh juice. And so I have this sorbetto type of thing that I put in a bowl, and then I pour fresh juice on top of it, making it like an affogato that you would get at a coffee shop, but I'm just doing it with juice. It's a really great option for this summer because it's cold and it's really nutritious. If you use beets, it's really good for if you are any type of an athlete and you need endurance. You can add beet juice to it, and there's been a lot of studies on beets, which beets are what I love using for the fresh juice. There's a lot of studies on beet juice and performance, how it helps with endurance and different athletic activities. So if you're interested in making this juice affogato, just this is the video for you. Also, this is my daughter, Hosanna. Hold an apple. Don't drop it. Good job. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put all of the ingredients that I'm going to use for the sorbetto type of material into this and blend it. I'm going to do greens, a banana, and then I might add some frozen berries to this. It's usually pretty different. I have a ton of frozen fruit in my freezer, so I just kind of pick and choose what I want and blend that up. But banana is always something that I add to this to make a really good sorbetto consistency. So I put greens, a banana, and some frozen strawberries in here. And then I'm going to pour some beet apple juice in this right before I blend it. Show the camera your fingers. Yeah, ooh boy. That's a pretty color. Okay, so I have this sorbetto, and then that's gonna be the base, and then I'm gonna do the carrots for the affogato. And here is my juice affogato. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.